Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Merry Christmas. It's December 25th, of course. So it's just going to be a daily vlog, really short, sweet, to the point. Y'all know I normally record on Christmas Day to show y'all my day. So I just got done filming a short for fragrancenet.com where they wanted content, user-generated content, to basically talk about their company and new ways to shop and not overspend on luxury beauty products. I didn't even know that they sold hair care, skincare, candles and stuff on their website. I really thought they only sold perfumes, but we had to do a short video for them. So you submit it. The deadline is December 26th, but somebody was saying on the Google like creators page or whatever that when they say December 26th, they're referring to December 26th midnight. So it's not 11:59 p.m. on the 26th where they close it. They close it at midnight on the 26th. So people were complaining because they were saying that they were losing out on opportunities because YouTube and the companies or the brands are not specific when they say the deadline is on the 26th. If I'm reading that, I'm going to think that I have up until 11:59 p.m. on the 26th. But granted, you're not supposed to be submitting your content anyways on the last day, but stuff happens, where you might have to reshoot, you might have to refilm, you may have shot it and there's no audio, because that's happened to me on my camera before where I put my mic in and I forgot to switch it to camera mode and I left it on smartphone mode, and basically I recorded a whole video with no sound. So I had to delete it and re-record it all over. This is like influencer pains, y'all. Influencer pains. But I submitted it, and then YouTube has to review the video for ad relevancy. So it has to meet their guidelines. It has to pass the ad checks, and that can take like a couple hours or a couple days, and then the brand goes in and reviews the content and watch it and see if you're selected. But I submitted 3 already for Ulta and I haven't heard back, so I'm just going to say in like 2 weeks, if I don't hear nothing from them, I'm posting that joint on my page because I didn't work for nothing. Y'all don't select it. I created it for y'all to pick, and if y'all don't pick it, I created the content. I'm still the owner of the content and I'm going to post it on my page, and 9 times out of 10 it does well. So yeah, anyways, but I changed out my shirt. I had on a different shirt because they have like all of these guidelines, y'all. Y'all think that creating content is super duper easy and you just pick up your camera and go. No, they want clean makeup, clean nails. They don't want any kind of shirts or clothing that's going to distract from the actual video. It's going to distract the viewer. They want the lighting to be a specific way. They want natural lighting. If you're going to use box lighting, it has to be a ring light or a soft box. It can't be those harsh studio lights. Like, these people don't play when it comes to their content because they're paying for this stuff to go on their page, so it has to be up to a specific criteria. But yeah, anyways, later on we're supposed to be having a dinner at the house, and I'm going to be making mac and cheese. So I'm about to go downstairs and get ready to make it because it's like 12 right now, but the party don't start until 8, and I'm not trying to cook at no 4 p.m. because I want to shower, get my little outfit on, and then we're gonna eat and then open gifts later. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, did y'all know that Publix has a cookie butter cake with Biscoff cookies? Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all better later when they take it out. But look at this cake, y'all. It's cookie butter with Biscoff cookies. I don't know if it's limited edition, specialty, whatever, for how long, but my aunt ordered it, so this is what we eating for dessert. I can't wait. Y'all know Publix cake is 10 out of 10. We got some Haitian hot chocolate right here. I'm about to tear that up. We need some bread though, y'all. We need some bread. This, I don't know what it is. I think my aunt brought this from church, but what is that supposed to be? Banana? That's not no banana pecan. It's probably like a dessert because it has raisins and pecan on it. But y'all, I'm about to tear this hot chocolate up. Okay. Who made this, Matadani?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want to be famous with that probation where you can't.
Oh, that 90-day probation?
Oh my God.
So y'all, in the morning, it's not even morning anymore. It's like 12, but I like to do a shot. So this is vitamin B shot. What you laughing at, dog?
Don't forget to take this shot.
Why this man trying to make us drink 1800 tequila at 12 p.m.? This is for y'all. You had to sleep at 4 a.m., so I know y'all finished it.
Yeah, yo. Yeah,
Nathan was here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. I gotta go get my outfit for the video.
So I do a shot. And then I like to take these Foodology jelly daily supplements. This is collagen, this is marine collagen. And this is for weight management, digestion. It has chia seeds in it, so it's gonna help you use the bathroom. So you're supposed to take 1 stick per day after lunch, but I like to take it on an empty stomach to get the bowels moving. Y'all know what I mean. So. So it's a jelly stick. Look at that. And it has chia seeds in it. So I'll take one. And it's for weight management. It has chia seeds.
I could hold the camera for you if you want. It's just a better angle.
No, it's good. This is a plant-based jelly. So I'll do that. It's so good. And then I do the collagen. It's like green apple, I think. Flavor. Green apple. So it's collagen and centella. Help firm up the skin. It has fish collagen in it. So do that. That's what this one looks like. It's a little jelly. And then I'm gonna do the hot chocolate. The only thing that sucks is that these only come with 10 sticks, so they're like $22. So you'll need like 3 of them if you take one a day. But that's expensive. It's like $60. But I try to look for when they're on sale on Amazon. They're on Amazon, always got a sale. So, and that's what I take in the morning. Every morning. Because Tata has said something about bread, but I'm about to have some hot chocolate. Simeus, how's the party? How's the party?
There's no party. There's some cookout. Still a cookout.
A cookout at 8 p.m.? Cheers.
But hey, I'm glad it worked, man.
These are ingredients. This is what I use. Mild cheddar, Mexican style, mozzarella, Kobe Jack, Parmesan, smoked Gouda, no, Havarti cheese, salted butter, a little bit of sour cream, heavy whipping cream, and evaporated milk. You can't vlog in a Haitian household because they just keep talking, dog. Like this. See, this is why I don't vlog when they're here, because look. But yeah, this is everything I'm gonna use. Alright. The finished product. They got banana pudding. They got eggnog. They got Luna hand. Punch, whatever that is. Fruit cocktail. Charcuterie board. Yes,
I
sir.
knew you were making a video.
You knew that? We got rice. We got green. What is this again? We got ham. We got beet salad. The liquors. And then what else? I showed y'all the mac. And then turkey. Whoop, whoop. We are stop number 2.
I got the sunroof.
Time to open up the second round of gifts.
You just out there.
You win.
I stuck the Denver.
Now I'm about to go through her whole.
Really?
I didn't get you.
I'll get you flagged, cuzzo.
What you going?
Damn. See?
Now look at my cousin. And she was legit.
Do we have some cupcakes?
I got my other cousin here too, and he was legit.
Was your house here?
Y'all, Luna got 2 babies. What's the name? What's the name of the babies? What's her name? Luna.
Luna.
Uh-huh.
There's one right here.
Maya.
Luna and Maya.
Yep, once again. Luna and Maya.
Luna and
I
Maya.
keep changing names.
Yeah. Y'all look at her hair. Super long. She's about to go to New York. She's about to look cute.
I got
Look at her outfit.
Look out, they all heat, man.
Show them your shoes. Show them your shoes. Let me see your shoes.
I was Denver.
Woo! Yeah. All right, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all what I got for Christmas before I before I close out this vlog. So I literally got the same pajama set that I'm wearing right now from Target, and it's the red short set Auden, and I'm literally wearing this right now. But I got to, and don't hurt to have to. So this is my favorite pajama brand from Target. It's Auden, so it doesn't hurt to have 2 of them. So this is a medium, and this is their cloud knit pajama set. It's a short sleeve shirt and bottoms, and it literally feels so soft. It's like the softest material. So I got me another pair of that. I also got another set of pajamas because I work from home, so it's literally switching out pajamas all day long, and it's another Auden set. So this is a dark gray cozy ribbed pajama set. Includes long sleeve shirt and pant. So that's what that is, and they feel like butter. Like, it feels like you're wearing nothing. I could live in these pajamas from Target. So it's a long sleeve set. Looks like this with the matching bottoms. Long sleeve. This is for more of like the colder season, but I can still wear it inside the house. And then my aunt got me a jogger set from Target by the same brand, because like I told y'all, I love Auden. Medium. This is a jogger set, perfect for the airport. It's long, nice and cozy, and then it comes with a pullover sweater. So this is what this looks like. I love gray. So, and then I got a $25 gift card. I got another Sephora gift card. I got a advanced nail mousse and power sheet mask from CosRx. I got a little hand sanitizer, SD card. Y'all know, if you are a creator, always put SD cards on your Christmas list because they're expensive. So 256 gigabytes is normally what I use, so I like to use this one, SanDisk Extreme Pro. And then my cousin got me something from Lush with my name on it. Super cute. So let's open it and see. Hold on. Oh, I should have took a picture of this. Hold on. I need to take a picture of that for the thumbnail. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Let's take a picture of this real quick for the aesthetics. All right, done. So let's see what's in it. Nice and wrapped. They wrapped it up. So let's see. Ooh. Hold on. It's my favorite. It's a little mini rose gem shower gel and a rose argan body conditioner. And y'all know this is my favorite scent from Lush and my favorite body wash, so she got it for me. We love that. So that's all that I got. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.